Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The fifth row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. When I have chains only row, I like to leave a thread tail. Let me show you what I mean. So, first of all, find the picot you will start from and pull the ball thread through this picot. Now, make a knot. This is your shuttle thread, and this one is ball thread. So let's connect them by making just a classic knot. One and two. Okay, now I like to measure previous row diameter. So this is our diameter, and I like to leave about 1.5 or 2 times bigger thread. So it's not enough. I will pull a bit more of thread. So this is our 1. One and a half. This is our knot. Yeah, that's about 1.5. Okay, fixing this point, and I'm just loading the shell. Okay, and I'm ready to start this row. So twenty double stitches. Okay, make a joint picot. And don't forget to make the ball thread straight, just to separate these chains. So next one is 10. And every time you make 5ds picot 5ds chain, just make sure this connection is under this chain. And that's finished row. If you'd like to support me, please scan this QR code or visit my Etsy shop. And as usual, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great time tatting. Bye!